How to fix app crashes or errors in Wayfair. First of all, make sure your device has a stable internet connection, as poor connectivity can often cause the Wayfair app to crash or display errors. Next, go to your device settings, open Apps or Application Manager, and find Wayfair in the list. Tap on it, then select Storage and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the app to misbehave. After clearing the cache, check if the app needs an update. Open the Play Store, search for Wayfair and tap Update if it is available. Running the latest version ensures you have all bug fixes and performance improvement. If the app still crashes or shows errors, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. Go to Settings, open Apps, select Wayfair and tap Uninstall. Then reinstall the app from the Play Store or APKPure if it is not available in your region. Finally, restart your device to refresh its system memory and clear any remaining issues. After restarting, open the Wayfair app and log in. It should now work smoothly without crashes or errors. Now you know how to fix app crashes or errors in Wayfair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.